Hey guys, Gary Schultze from Cyclone Custom. Listen, we just got some window shades, vent shades, I guess they call them, we got some for our Sprinter, and we also got some for the Raptor that we'll do later. But let's go ahead and do the Sprinter here. Shouldn't take too long, so come on, let's do it, man. Let us do it. They're kind of an odd shape here. And these are not the in-channel ones. I don't know if they have them for Sprinter in-channel. I guess we'll have to read the instructions. Alright, so the instruction says to wash it with soapy water, which is done. And I'm just going to hit it with a little alcohol here too, to make sure. I mean, it's not the cleanest deal in the world here. See, look at. There we go. There's some magic to this stuff. I used it on my pickup truck when I did the tailgate seal. Same stuff. It just says alcohol. That ain't just alcohol. That's some magic there. Everywhere where this is split, you gotta peel off the backing and get it at a 45 so you can get that after it's partly on. So can you see that? And then here, one that scares me. Okay. Got this kind of here down here. I'm just trying to kind of get this basically straight here. Maybe not the easiest thing in the world to do, but we go over it 4 or 5 times. These are just clings, as I mentioned. Off real easy. This thing just says to make sure this is touching the top of the seal where it bulges out a little, which we did. So there's no gap here. I think that's the ticket, right? Because this comes along and it bulges out a little bit, and they don't want you to have that controlling where this is sitting. So looking good. Okay, the EGR vent shades are working pretty good. You can see mine wiggles a little bit. I'll have to look into that, but I tell you, you can have the window down to about here when you're going 35, 40 miles an hour, and it keeps the wind off you. And we're going 80 right now. Or no, we're going 77 right now. And it's fine. And I like the design. I've seen some others that come down over here, which does nothing. I've heard from other people, it does nothing for keeping the wind off you. Whereas having it right here, the wind comes in and it goes out away from you. So it's a good design. Anyways, I'll put a link down below for these. Thanks for watching. Here is Schultze from Cyclone Custom Vans. So long. See you next time.